Recording a MIDI sequence. The integrated 16-track MIDI sequencer is where you can record, edit, and complete your musical ideas. There's also an audio recorder that will be covered in the next chapter. Go to sequencer mode. The main page shows tracks 1 through 16 along the bottom. You can page up to these other tabs and assign programs to the tracks. Adjust a track's level and panning. Assign ARP patterns, etc. You can even access pages where you can assign the effects you need. Press Exit. There are a couple of ways to speed up the process. For example, Auto Song Setup. Go to Combination Mode and select a combi. You can select any combi you wish. I'm using Piano and Strings 1. When you want to record, you can use Auto Song Setup to bring the entire combi into the sequencer in a new song location, including the sounds, the effects, even the drum track, ARPs, and step sequencer. In this example, I'll be using drum track and ARP. Press Record, select OK. Pressing Start will give you a 2-measure pre-count, then start recording. The keyboard part you played plus the ARPs and drum track parts have all been recorded on separate tracks. You can now add additional parts on the remaining tracks, edit, copy, paste, etc. Another way to quickly get started is using a template song. A template song sets up the song with sounds, levels, panning, effects, etc. for a particular musical genre. Select a new song location by pressing Function and choosing Create New Song. This parameter allows you to set the initial length of the song. Keep it as 64 measures. Here you can set a specific location for the new song. For now, leave it as it is, and it will create a new song at the next song location. Now we'll load a template song. Function, there are 16 templates already supplied and 16 user for you to save your own. Choose Pop. You can just select OK, but go to the box that says Copy Pattern to Track 2 and press Enter, then OK. As well as loading in the song template, you can also choose a drum pattern to put on track 1. Based on the template song selection, the first drum pattern that comes up is suited to that musical style. Press play to audition the pattern. There are hundreds of drum patterns to choose from. I'm going to use pattern P001, Pop and Ballad 1. Each time you select Copy, it places the pattern on the track one after the other. You can see the measure change each time. Now press Exit. Press Play. There's the drum pattern on track 1. Press Stop. Hold down Shift and press this button to return to measure 1. Press Menu and scroll down to IFX Routing. And select OK. You can see that the song template has assigned effects as well. Press Exit. Let's add a bass part on track 2. Cursor down to the tracks on the bottom and move to track 2. The song template has already assigned a bass program to the track. Press Record and Start. Select track 4. One of the hardest things to sequence and make sound realistic is guitar strumming. The polyphonic ARPs are a great tool to help with this. This template already has a strumming ARP assigned to this track. Let's record this. Track 15 is where you can record the pad sampler. Make sure the sampler is active and record a pad. Go to the Record tab. If I recorded at the same place on this track, it would replace what was previously recorded because it is always initially set to overwrite, as you can see here. Cursor there. As you can see, there are other ways to record like auto punch-in, manual punch-in, etc. Select Overdub and press Enter again. Now when I record, it will be added to the existing parts on that track, like this. Return to Measure 1 and press Exit.